welcome back to my channel. So let me fix my eyebrows. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I fit my wig over my locks all nice and flat and all that good stuff, because I know y'all be having questions and people are always asking me how do I get my wigs to lay flat over my locks. So today I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so first thing, we're going to use this edge control and then a pick or a comb, whatever you got. So, I'm going to wear mine as the middle part, right? So, since I'm going to wear mine as the middle part, even though I have locks right here, y'all see this loose hair? We're going to part that in the middle. Just like that. Bam. So, then you have that middle. I'm going to take this edge control. I really need to wash my hair. Lay the rest of it down. I don't know where my little brush is. Ugh, I need a brush. I'm gonna get my wig cap and just making sure my locks are not like wrapped into each other or tangled. So I'm going to get the stocking cap and put it on my head and push all of my locks to the back. And so what I'm doing is this side, well, it's basically once I get my cap on, I split the back into two sides. This side I bring this way, this side I bring this way, like that. So we crossing and then I'm going to put the wig cap over them both. So just like that. And so y'all see the little bump in the back. What I'm gonna do is just literally, and you may have to adjust your, but literally just form it into like a even out round type. After I have all that done, I'm gonna get my wig this way, this side going that way. So then I'm just going to take my wig, a custom wig made by me, and I'm just going to throw it on. And voila. Voila. Look, I ain't even did nothing. Y'all see how that look? I literally just threw it on. Literally just threw it on, and look at that part. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, now, what you want to do now is adjust your wig to however you like your wig. You feel me? Alright, so for me, this is how, I'm sorry y'all, the camera was a little crooked. So for me, this is how the part looks. I haven't added any concealer or anything. And now you see right there where I did like the little part. And also, like, say if it, I ain't even gonna lie, it happens, your wig shifts. So if your wig, like I put mine right here, and then if it like slide back a little, you'll still have that part right there to cover you up so it'll look natural. So it won't look like, oh, she got a part, but like the front just slicked back. So, this is how I do my wigs. This hair is so gorgeous. I love it. It's from who is it from? B Hair and Beauty. That's who it's by. But yep, flat closure, wig laying flat, flat. All right, y'all. I have to go. So and also if y'all want, well, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm not gonna go add no concealer or nothing. Like, I'm cool with it like this. But if you want to, you can add like some little concealer right there, just to make it look a little bit more natural. But yes, that's all for this video, and I'll definitely talk to y'all later. I hope this helps someone, and I'll see you later.